Hey guys, if you're passionate about organic life and if you've ever dreamt of having your own farmhouse, this is the location you should be setting up your farmhouse. So, there are 6 plots, half acre each. Each plot is 20 lakhs and this is the final price. It's very rare to find a half acre for 20 lakhs in this location. There's a new ITIR tech park coming up very close by, and there's a Disney theme park coming up near Nandi Hills, and the views from the property are just amazing. So if you're really interested, you can get in touch with us. We shall share the legal opinion with you from a very reputed lawyer from Dodbalapur. So this property is located just 5.5-6 kilometers from Dodbalapur and 7 kilometers from Nandi Hills. I'll just show you from my car the access from the main road. I've just recorded a little journey from the main road till this property in my car. So just stay tuned, in few seconds I'll show you. This is the common road for all the plots. This is the nearby neighboring farm which is also for sale, that is 50 lakhs per acre. So you're already getting a discount for a smaller size. So this is the access. This is the main road. We've just taken right from the main road and we are getting into the property. This was a tar road but worn out due to rains. You can see you can enjoy the beautiful views of Nandi Hills as you get in to this road. So this is the second property from the main road, and once we cross third property we take left. So here we take left after third property from the main road, and this is a common road which is close to 20 feet. So we would soon be cleaning this road since this is a common access for all the properties inside. So just 100 meters inside the sub road we get into the property. So here we are inside the property, as you can see. So this is the access from the main road, hardly few meters away from the main road, just tucked into the hustle. You can always enjoy serenity here, peace because of interior location. After buying this, additionally if you spend another 15 lakhs, we can help you with setting up a 2 BHK organic and a self-sustaining farmhouse for you with water resource. So you are set with a farmhouse of half acre with less than 50 lakh rupees, which is rare opportunity. Nearby villas of 5,000 square feet sell as high as about 5 crores to 10 crores. Prestige Golfshire is about 15 kilometers from here, but still this offer is really great. If you had ever dreamt of setting up your own farmhouse, then this is the opportunity for you. So get in touch with us if you're interested. We shall assist you with other things. Thank you. Subscribe our channel for more updates on properties around Bangalore.